I'm a red-eyed tree frog. I live in the rainforest. I live in trees. I eat bugs. I eat cockroaches, predators, snakes, birds, and large frogs. I protect myself. The helps them because they are poisonous. Right? Green skin, sticky feet, jump really high. That's some facts about a red-eyed tree frog. Ribbit, don't bother me. And this Sunday, I'll be eating some chip choo choo choo. I think my chips actually.
Wait, let me hear.